Are you also struggling with how to remove an approved artwork on Displate? Yeah, we've been there too. Displate only lets us upload and sell. There's no option to actually design or edit the artwork once it's been approved. And that can be a real problem. In our case, we accidentally included some text in the design. But once the artwork was approved, Displate gave us no way to fix it. No editing, no replacing. So if you're facing the same issue, you're not alone. Displate does offer the option to remove approved artworks. And yes, you can edit the title and description. But here's the catch. You can't replace or update the actual artwork itself. So if you spot a mistake or realize something's missing, like we did, you're out of luck. You'll have to remove it entirely and re-upload a new version from scratch. So, here's how to remove your artwork on Displate. First, go to your profile page and click on the Displate tab. Then, in the Show drop-down menu, select Displates. You'll now see a list of all the artworks in that collection. Hover over the artwork you want to delete and click the Edit button. From there, you'll find the Remove option. Click it to permanently delete the artwork.